Hi, this is Gayle with BERNINA of Naperville, and I have big news. First of all, BERNINA University is coming up June 27th through July 1st-ish, and we're going to be there, and I'm not going to stop making videos because I want to do a day-to-day recap to let you guys know about all of these new things that are coming out. I mean, you know, they did say something big is on the horizon, and I'm going to be sure that the minute I find this information, I'm going to smack that phone right into something and show you. What it is. I mean, I thought it was going to be this machine that we're unboxing right now. I mean, I even chased the truck and tried to get it, and you know, then they just kind of handed it to me and was like, "Hey Gayle, here's your new machine that you ordered." So anywho, I just want you to know the lengths that we will go to get new information. I mean, you know, they've been teasing this new machine that's coming out at BU, and there's, you know, there's not just one machine. There's a couple different things that they're going to be showing, but let's talk about right now, right here at this, because I am about to unbox something that we thought was maybe a unicorn, but it's the BERNINA 570 Quilters Edition, Kaffe Edition. And we know that that's Kaffe Fassett, that rhymes with safe asset, right? All right, let's see what's in this box. First of all, it's got a sticker on it and it says fragile, so we have to handle it carefully. Slide on table. Freehand system. That's the knee lever that raises and lowers the presser foot. Ice cream scraper. Ice cream scraper. Ice scraper. Oh, yeah, external seam guide. That's what this is. Okay, don't need styrofoam anymore. It's not gonna fall off a truck again. Then we've got, look at this manual. So this manual is super cute because it is matching the machine. So you've seen the other Kaffe special editions, the purple one that was the 770 and the all mint one that was the 475. Well, this one is blue. You get a DVD because, you know, everybody's got a DVD player these days, and then an accessory card and some other stuff. We'll put that aside. Then we've got our little accessory box that magnetizes onto the back of the machine, and we're going to fill it with the goodies. All right, they still are powered by electricity, so we need the power cord. Bag of feet, and now the 570s, regardless if it's a Kaffe or a regular, come with the 97D foot, so that's a plus for you. Some little extras like the foam pad, the toolbox, the bobbins, the oil, BERNINA stitch regulator foot, otherwise known as the BSR or the Bazaar in some circles. More styrofoam, we don't need any more. Dust cover, blue to match the Kaffe machine. Automatic buttonhole foot. And, oh my God, still heavy. Not as heavy as the 770, but heavy. So we can pop this out. That's where the foot control is. And then, you know, I'm gonna just undress this really slow. There we go. Dun 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 na do 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 do. What do you think? That is cute. All right, so come on down here with me so you can see this fancy new case. Ta-da! Ta-da! Let's get it back here so you can see it. So we're gonna take that off, and then this holds your new little baby safe and sound in here and protects it from monsters. And by monsters, I mean bumps and wiggles on the road when you're traveling to get your free owner's classes that you would get with this machine here at BERNINA of Naperville. And you know what else you get with this machine if you pre-order? I can't tell you, it's so exciting until the end. So let's unbox it and then I'll tell you what you get, right? Now this is the heaviest embroidery module empty trolley I've ever pushed in my life. So let's see what's happening here. I think there's something in this that's more than the embroidery module. And it's not even the embroidery module, it's the embroidery module case, which you only get if you decide to purchase the machine with the embroidery. Now you can put any embroidery module with this, but if you get this Smart Drive technology, that's the SDT module with the machine, you're gonna get this, the Kaffe embroidery module luggage, the heavy stuff, because I think there's something else in here. So that would be a benefit of getting the module with this machine. Well, let's have a look at this. All right, we've got the 5 embroidery designs that come with these Kaffe special editions. We've got a $25 gift card to Embroidery Online, which is our friends at OESD, with some Oregon embroidery needles. We've got expert tearaway tape, stabilizer, medium weight tearaway, fusible woven, and poly mesh cutaway. We've got the big book of feet, isocord thread, and applique fuse and fix. That is a bargain. So that's what you're gonna get in your goodies. You're all ready to embroider. There should be no excuses for not embroidering on this awesome machine, apart from not wanting to get it dirty, of course. Problem is, there is a reason why I don't work in the packing department, but I'll do my best here to get this back into shape here. Okay, I think that's good. All right, whew, is that everything? I think that's everything. Let's have a look at the stitches on this baby. Let's have a look over here at these stitches because there is a special Kaffe bank of stitches that I don't want. All right, so they live in the decorative stitch bank here, and we just have to scroll up, and there they are, the 7100s. And we've got the little clouds. We can expand it here so we can see all of the different ones. And of course, one of my favorites is this little squiggly poo stitch like this. And I like to add that triple straight or that triple stitch look to it. Let me just do it without first so you can see. But now, let's see it with this triple function. And look at the difference there between those two stitches. And there's just an endless flow of stitches on this machine, not just the Kaffe stitches. That's right, this machine has cute little tassels. And there's even more on the embroidery side. I love the poodle. All right, what do you think? Is this Kaffe Edition 570 Quilters Edition something that you want to take home? Well, I'll tell you what, you can't take this one home quite yet because this is all we have, our floor model, but you can pre-order. And if you pre-order exclusively at BERNINA of Naperville, you will receive a free walking foot. So it's just $500 down to pre-order your Kaffe, and then you'll get a free walking foot that will fit this BERNINA as well as some other BERNINAs that you already might have in your collection. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you will follow us on our YouTube channel, which is easy. It's youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville, because we're going to be posting up-to-date videos at BERNINA University that will have correct information for you and capture the enthusiasm of this really fun annual event. So hope to see you online, in the store, and maybe I'll see some of you at BU. Cheers.